again. Okay. Oh, anyways, it started. No problem. Great. So please make sure to go for this this practice purpose. So you should practice. Otherwise, you can't be able to design this kind of stuff. Okay. Now it's time to design this Instagram login page. Sorry, home page. Right. So what we can do is go to here, remove this stuff. I'm gonna do this copy paste, copy and paste. Okay. I'm gonna remove this all stuff. Delete this again. Delete all this stuff. Great. Now change this name to home page. Insta home page. Great. Now just observe carefully and let me know what is the first thing we need to do here. Observe this home page. Home page alone. Don't think about this profile, camera. Don't think about it. Just think about only about the home page. Just observe what are the things we need to do here. No idea. Nothing. See, we have to design this stuff first. Yes, Instagram heading icons. Exactly. So we need to set this Instagram icon and this plus icon, heart icon, and this messenger icon. Right? After that, we need to set this. Okay, great. Let's jump into this. Copy this and paste here. You can paste here. Okay. Just make it small. Make it small. Then what is the next thing? Icons. These icons. I'm gonna copy paste these icons. Or else you can do one thing. Go to Google. So anyways, you know how to search for these icons. Go to Google. Search for Instagram plus icon. Search for it. You will get this multiple icons here. So this icon. Okay. So what you can do? So copy paste this icon. Copy image. Right click on it and click on copy. You will get a copy. Okay. So or else you can click on this image. Anything is fine. No problem. Okay. Anything will work. Just right click on it. Click on copy image. Now go to here. Just paste it. You will get this icon here. Right. So now just make it small and this position, change the position of it here. Then what is the second thing? This heart icon. Similarly, you can go for the search heart icon in the Google. I don't want to waste the time by searching and figuring out this images. I'm just copy paste these icons. Okay, you can search in the Google. Anyways, you will get already show the demo, right? How to show this. Great. So anyways, I will give this. So just you can search for this. Wait. So you can use this. So Instagram plus icon. Instead of the plus icon, you can change like heart icon. You will get that. At the same time, messenger icon. You will get this message icon. You will get this message icon again. That's how you need to search. You will get that. Okay. Okay, great. Now this port is okay. Messenger, paste it here and set here. Great. Now we set this icons. We need to increase the size of it. Just adjust it a little bit. Great. I think it's fine. Yes, now it's fine. Okay. This is how it will look. Then what is the next process? This one. So first we need to create this profile. Take anyone's names here. Let's take Tanusha. Okay. So let me create a profile for a Tanusha. So what we can do is we need to copy paste any images. Let's take girl image. profile icon. Let's take profile pic. We can choose anything. Let's choose something beautiful. Let's search for image. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, copy image. Go here, paste here. Great. Just make it a little bit small. It should be okay. Let me try to make it as a flip one. Open slide tab. Yes. Give me a minute. I'm trying to open in a slide tab for a better understanding. So close it here. Because again and again I'm changing the tabs, right? You will not understand what exactly it is. I hope now it is visible. It is our target, first one, right? Great. Here, array, why it is not working? A second to figure out why it is. Okay, maybe there might be another option or what. Pin tab, move to new slide, or close. I think it is open in a split tab itself, but the day we got this again, now it is not working. Let's see, let's see. No worries. Anyways, no worries. Let me try to figure out it. So what we can do is open in a move to new tab. Yes. Now we have this one. You can, this is one tab and this is another tab, right? So this is how it is looking here. Rounded, right? The profile should be rounded. So what we can do is make it round. So where it is 100% radius. So make it 50%. You will get this kind of stuff. Okay. Great. So what we can do, yes, the next step is plus icon, isn't it? So we need to put the plus icon. It is too small. So make it a little bit big. Great. Now this plus icon. So what we need to do is search for some plus icon, or else you might get here. So just give me a second. Go to assets, search for plus icon here. So you will get this icon, plus icons. So we want this rounded plus icon. Anything is fine actually. Okay. So make it here. So, but we need in a white color, right? So I think we can change the color here. Yes. Uh, yes, we can change the color here. So before that, we need some other thing. So just go here, search for circle. Great. Keep it here. Remove this. So make it a little bit small here. Great. Just give me a second. Let me try to make it small. Definitely, it should take a time, guys. Why? Because every point is important to us. It should be in a black color or what? Yes, it's in a white color. We need a blue color background, right? Great. No worries. So remove this. Make it a little bit big. Okay. Change this color to, let's take blue color. Yes. Now paste here. So this is how actually it will look. If we decide to open here, so the image is not visible here. Yes, it is visible. But it's not looking exactly right. No problem. We can make it more easier. So let we go for it. So just give me a second. Right. Okay. Just as of now, keep it like this. Okay. We can adjust later also. No problem. We can adjust later also. Don't worry about it. Great. Then what is the next step? Your story, isn't it? We need to put here. So take a text box here. Click on here. Take a text box and click here. Your story, isn't it? So put here. Just okay. First, we need to make it as a group. Make it as a group here. Group selection. Now move it little bit right because it's too left, right? Channel left lo unnadu manaki middle lo kavali manaki at least little bit. Okay. So let's go for it a little bit same. No worries, we can make it more similar. It is looking like this. Then what is the next one? This one. We need this one, right? Go for a here, search for Mercy profile pic. Oh, we're getting this. Ronaldo is not Mercy. Okay, let's take men profile pics. Let's take this. Copy image. So go here, paste it here. Make it as much as possible, small thing. Okay. Great. Now what we need to do is we need to set that here. Make it rounded is 50%. You can make 100%. So the problem is, see here, the image should be rounded. Some images it's not taking the rounded, it's taking like in a vowel. There is a problem. Even for this image, it is not in round shape, it is in the vowel shape. So you should be aware about the which image you are choosing. For example, let's take some other images. For example, take this. Let's try how it will look. Copy image, double tap it and paste it here. See, almost everything is look like in the vowel shape. So when you put 50%, automatically you will get like in a circle, but this all things in the vowel shape. There is a problem. So we need to figure out some images. Let's take images, because if you want to get everything it's in the right way, you should make some images as a rounded. Copy image, go here, just give me a second. Definitely it will take a lot of time to set this. Zoom it a little bit. So let me try to make it a little bit small. 50% radius. We got like this. So anyways, just keep it like this, no problem. So else what I will do is I will copy this image itself I will copy. So let's see how it will work here. This image in round, it just because of the image, we need to choose the right images actually. Just because of that, we're getting this issue. Okay, great. So after setting this image, what is the next step? We need to set the gradient color. Did you observe that the gradient color, that border, right? So for that, what we need to do is, where it is, select stroke. you will get this stroke here. See, you will get this stroke. For example, if I put a 10, you will get this stroke actually. So instead of that, what we need to do is we need to give the gradient color. So how can we do that? Simple. So select stroke. Here you will find an option called this 4 dots. Click on it. Click on custom. Here you will get the second option, which is nothing but gradient. And the third option is the different image. You can post image. So the first option is gradient. Okay. So what you need to do is we need to set some color here. So click on this icon, this icon. So here you will get a linear, radial, angular, diamond. So as of now, linear gradient we want. Click on here. So what is the color in the left side? It is yellow color, right? So just search for yellow color here. So keep it like this. Okay, then add a plus option here. Click on plus option, you will get this again. Okay, then what is this? Some other colors. Let's take orange color here. Click on here again. Just move a little bit, you will get this color, orange color. So let's see how it is looking. It is not visible, right? Why? Because the width is very less, the weight is. So what we need to do, let's make it as 5. Let's see. Now it is looking like this, but we don't want that much weight here. It's 2, I think so, enough. 2 or 3 is enough. Yes, 2 or 3 is enough. Great. So what is the next option? You might ask me one more question. There is a white color gap in between this image, in between image and this color. How can we achieve that? Simple. So if you want to achieve that, what we need to do is, so let's suppose take this image here. Okay. Make it a little bit big here. Let's try that. So for this also we have this border. So what we can do is simple, go here, remove this stroke. Now set it in the center. Now decrease the size of it. You can decrease the size of it. Now set in the middle. So this is how it will look. Now we can increase the size of it. We can increase the size of it. Great. So, but here it is not looking, it's not visible here, right? So what we can do is simply make it as a group here and remove this. Control X, Control V again. You will get this here. It's just because of the mild bugs in the Figma. It will update very lately. Okay, great. We got this color. We got this color here. Right, we achieved it. But we need to add some more colors, isn't it? We need to add some other colors. So it is a yellow color, but here we get this color, right? So what we can do is go to here again. For this, you can select yellow color. Okay. So just drag like this. Drag like this, you will get the color here. Okay. And what is the next color? Here we have a pink color, right? So add one more color here. Search here pink, right? Here pink we have. So search for light pink. So the pink color should move here, not like this. Just give me a minute. So again, select gradient here. You might confuse. Let me explain you once again. No problem here, because you should understand very better. Then only you will understand this. Great. You can decrease this opacity to 50% or else 70% to make it more better. Is it looking on the left side? We have this. So idella channel me okkar nerpistan. Don't worry. Gradient is very important. Okay. Don't worry about it. So select this one. So what we can do is we need to make it as a light, this one, or else we can remove this. Do one thing, remove this and remove this. It is how it is looking. Now add orange color here. Click on it, select orange. It will look like this. And again select plus icon here. Go here, search for this one. So where you need to place this. So don't worry, I will teach you how to do this. Make it 70%. So make it 50%. Okay. Again, make it 45%. Now, this is how it is looking. Okay, if you want to make it more, so simply we can make it here 100%. Then we will get this color. We'll get this color. So we need to work on it more, because the exact color, if you want, we need to copy paste these colors actually. So to do so, what we can do is select on stroke here. So double tap here. So see, these are the things we need to do. So what we can do, 0% this color and 15% this color, that things you can do. So for example, if you want to make it exact colors, so what you can do is go to the gradient, remove all these things, remove, add this and remove this. Now what is the first color? This one, right? Copy this, copy this, paste here, make it 100%. The next one is, what is the next one here? 15%, 94%, right? So go here again, add plus icon, this 94%. So if you do like this, automatically you will change this colors. But I don't want to make it exactly, because I need to show you how we guys are doing this. Okay. So that's how you can change the colors there. Let's assume. Okay. Great. Then what is the next step? This name, right? So copy paste this thing. Great. Let's take Messi. Okay. Great. So we said two things. Now what we can do is simply we can copy paste this. Group selection it. Now select it. Copy paste this again. Done. Again, one more copy. Sorry. We need to make one more copy here. Again, make one more copy. Right. Again, make one more copy here. Don't worry. Okay. So this is how it will look actually. Now what we need to do is select everything. Right click on it. Frame selection. Make it frame selection. So now it is in different frame, but we want everything in the same frames. So what we can do is we can delete this as of now. Okay. Now here is an option called slip content. So I will tell you why we are doing this. Slip content. Now adjust this. Adjust this according to the screen. Adjust this. Okay, sorry, we did a mistake here. So what is the mistake is? Just give me a second. So we need to select everything as a frame, like entire from here to here. We need to select as a frame. Frame selection. Right now, select it. Slip content. So what is the slip content? I will tell you. Make it like this. Okay. Great. Now, so the storage should be flow, right? It should be flow. Like మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇలా చేసినప్పుడు అది కదలాలి, isn't it? Left and right కి మూవ్ అవ్వాలి. అది మన యొక్క టార్గెట్ అన్నమాట. Don't worry, I will teach you. So we can do more better here. Great. Move this a little bit. Great. Move this a little bit. Yes, now I think it's fine. Yes, this is how it will look. Right now it's time to change this profile here. So what I can do is I will simply copy paste this here, or else we can do one thing. Go to here, search for so here anyways you have girls pictures, right? So what we can do, select any profile here, right click on it, copy image, go here, change the image here. Sorry. Simple. Right click on it, copy image. So what I'm doing here, I'm tapping here. I'm tapping on the image, I'm changing the picture here. That's it. I'm not doing anything here. So let's take anything. We can take some voice pictures as well. Mhm. Let's take this one, copy image, double tap here. Now change the pictures. Great, it's how it is looking. You can change as Lassi, Meena, Lassi, Meena. Let's take, okay. Make it in the middle. So for this, Meghanachari, the middle. And the final one is boy, right? So we can make it as a preview or crop. Okay, no problem. That's how we need to set this. Then what is the next step here? The first step is done. So now మన యొక్క టార్గెట్ ఏంటి అంటే మనం ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్ స్క్రోల్ చేస్తాం స్టోరీస్ చూడడానికి, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? అది ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ఇవ్వలేదు, మనం యాడ్ చేద్దాం. ఎలా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే select it as frame, right click on it, select on frame selection, you will get this option. Now click on slips content. So slip content is nothing but which is used to crop the page, అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇమేజ్ ని క్రాప్ చేయడానికి, సారీ ఫ్రేమ్ ని క్రాప్ చేయడానికి హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అనమాట స్లిప్ ఇమేజ్ అనేది. I hope you got the point. Great. Now it's time to make it as a horizontal work like flow. We can do that. So how can we do that? Let's try. Even I am doing everything for the first time. I didn't build any application before, like a live application in our company we will do, but I'm doing this for a live just because of you only. So what we can do is go to prototype here, select on scroll with parent, right? That's right, actually scroll with parent. So now what we can do is, let's try to see here. It is not flowing, it's like moving actually. So what we can do is, anything we missed here, let's try to figure out it. Slip content, exactly. Then post, scroll with parent, fix it, stop, stay. Okay, let's see, no problem. That is how it is looking. Now select on here. Yes, now we got the option called no scrolling. Make it to horizontal. All right, now let's try see here. Still it is not working, it is not moving here. So there might be some issues. Let's figure out what it is. So there might be some issues. Everything is working fine itself, but what is the issue? I don't know. So let's see. Maybe this. Yes, due to there might be a 2 frames. So unfortunately we mentioned 2 frames. So don't worry, we can do this. Make it group selection. Now select everything and make it as a frame selection. Great. Now select on this frame, slip content. Now compress it. It is compressing like that. Actually, it should not work like this because here everything should make it as a group itself. But why it is not working? In group selection. So just give me a second. I need some time to figure out what the problem here. Group selection. Make it group selection. Now make, oh, sorry. There's something happening. I don't know what is happening here. Great. Now let me try to make it as again frame selection. Okay. Still it is not working. So let's try to figure out why it is not working here. It's different. So when you mention vertical, it's different. Scroll with parent, yes, correct. And this is horizontal. Actually, everything is looking good, but I don't know why it is. Okay, no problem. Let me try to do that again. No problem. Okay. So then what is the next step here? So we should get this line here, this horizontal line. So before that, let me try to tell you how to do this gradient color. See, nothing guys. So select any profile here. For example, here, let's take this profile icon. Okay. So go to design here, select stroke. Okay. Now give, here we have an option called 4 dots. Click on it. So here click on custom. Now you will get 4 options here. Select the second option, which is nothing but gradient. Okay. Now it's time to select the colors here. For example, see, I'm going to search the red color here. And the second option is I'm going to set the blue color here. Okay. The 2 colors. Right. What I'm going to do is now it's not visible, but you need to select the weight here. Or you can just increase the weight. You can observe the changes here. You can observe the changes. This is how you can add the gradient colors. So just give me a second. I hope you understand, right, how you're getting the gradient colors. So please make sure to understand that. మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా ఎలా gradient colors వస్తుందో, because it's very important to understand to get how to getting the very like gradient colors. Great. So it should work, but I just need to figure out why it is not working. I'm also just confused why it is not working. Okay, I understood, got the point. Now it will work. See, there is an issue. I will let you know because I make it as a 2 frames. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే ఫ్రేమ్స్ అనేది నేను 2 times సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రేమ్ సెలెక్షన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫ్రేమ్ సెలెక్షన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చేశాను, మళ్ళీ మీకు డెమో చూపించడానికి మళ్ళీ ఫ్రేమ్ సెలెక్షన్ చేశాను, అందువల్ల వర్క్ అవ్వలేదు. ఇప్పుడు వర్క్ అవుతుంది చూడండి, ఈ మూవ్మెంట్ అని చెప్పాను. నౌ we can scroll. If you want to add, you can add multiple here. So you can add multiple, how can we say, like multiple profile pictures. అర్థమవుతుందా? For example, let me try to add one. Copy and paste. Let me try to add this. So I don't know whether it will work or not. So we need to make again, we need to work on it again. So what we can do is, so group selection. Yes. So what I'm going to do is, and just move this here. Like this, you can move here. Okay. So make it as ungroup again. So I will tell you how and what, why. Okay. So you select everything. and move here like this. So why? Because I'm trying to add multiple profiles just for your understanding. ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది మనకు తెలియడానికి ఇది యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను అనమాట మల్టిపుల్ ప్రొఫైల్స్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సో లెట్ వి యాడ్ దిస్ మేఘన here again. Great, let me try to add this Kra again. Sorry. Okay, great. Now I don't know whether it will work or not. So again, it's not showing this. Yes, we got the stuff here. Now it's time to move this everything here. I don't know whether it will work or not, but let's see. So we are doing some mistake again. No problem. Ungroup it. Group selection. Group selection. Group selection. Selection. So the group selection is very important here. Group selection. Now everything in is group. Now selection. Now what I will do is I'm just remove this everything in outside. I will tell you why. Okay. So select this frame. Selection. Great. Copy paste this. There is a little bit of tricks here. This is what I said. So normal design is very easy, but this kind of animations we need to get. That is little bit tough. అర్థమవుతుంది మీకు. నార్మల్ యానిమేషన్ తేవడానికి ఈజీనే అనమాట. నార్మల్ లాగిన్ పేజెస్ అవి చేయడానికి ఈజీ. ఇలాంటివి చేయడానికి మనకి కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో yes, we can put here, and let's take messy here again. Yes. So now what we can do is make it entirely as a group selection. Sorry, frame selection. Now move this frame here. Let's see. Yes. Great. Now it is not moving, but we need to make it as a move. How can we do this? Just compress it. Sorry, it is not working. Just make it like this. Now slip selection. So here the name should also move, but I don't know why. Okay, no problem. Go to here. Select horizontal scroll. Let's try whether it is working or not. No, it is not working. Okay, we can figure out what it is. We can figure out, no problem. As of now, leave. Let me try to figure out what is the problem and everything. Selection. Here, on scroll, horizontal scroll. It should work actually, but I don't know what the hell is happening here. Yes, it is working. Here it is working, but there is a mild bug here. Just because of these names, we are getting this mismatch here. See, it is working. It is working actually, but just because of this names are not moving, we're getting this fault. So there is a mild changes we need to do. So we need to figure out where we need to do the changes here. So what I will do is I will make it as a ungroup again because I want to know where I did the mistake. So that's why I'm doing this kind of things here again and again. I'm gonna remove all this stuff here. Remove this, remove this. Right. Now take a text again, go here, select this. Let's take this one. Okay, great. Now again, what we need to do, make it as a group selection, copy paste this. Again, copy paste this. Okay, now let's see whether it will work or not. Still here, some objects is here. Great. Right. Mm, yes. So as of now, what we can do is copy everything and just move here out of. Okay. Copy everything, make it as a group. Now get this here. Now what we can do, ungroup it. Yes. Now we can make it multiple copies of it. Let's keep it here. Maintain some distance. You might feel bored because I'm just trying to figure out why I'm not getting this. Just give me a second. Because I want to show you we can achieve anything. We can do anything with this, Figmas. So just give me some time. Let me try to figure out and do this. Okay. Frame selection. Now we make it as entire frame. Now we need to move here. Right. Great. And now select slip content. No, there is an error. There is an issue. Okay, no worries, no worries. It's not working. So tomorrow I will show you how to make this horizontal. Definitely it will work. Definitely it will work, but no problem. We can do that. No worries. Then what is the next process is this horizontal line, right? So how can we do this? Simply select shape here, go to lines, just draw one line here. From here to here, just draw one line. And go to design, change the stroke color some to gray. Make it like this. Yes. We got this color here. It is okay. It is okay. Then what is the next step? This one. We need to make it this post is here now. So what I will do is I will go here. I will select this. I will make it as a copy. So I'm gonna get this here. So remove this name here, or else copy it here. So paste it here. Let's take, okay. So what is this? Marvel, right? Okay. So let's make it as a Messi itself. Messi, great. Messi. For example, let me try to put some star symbol here. Let's take tick symbol, because in most of those, profiles we have a tick symbols, right? So like professionals and high level things. Let's take this tick mark. So what we can do is click on here, right click on it, copy image, go here and paste it. So we got this, this color. So or else you can choose anything here. Let's take this. Okay, copy image, go to Figma and paste it. Look like this. Well, it's time to make it as a small one. Right. So set here, make it a little bit small. I think it's fine. Right. Messy. Great. Now make it this as an object, sorry, a group selection, and move a little bit here. Great. Now entirely make it as a group selection. Now then what is the next step? It's three dots here. Right. How can we do that? It's simple. Select three circles. Just go to the line options here. So select circle. Sorry. Just click on here. You will get this right. Just make it as small as much as possible. Or else you can do one more thing. You can search for the icons here. Let's go here, search for menu. Search for menu. Oh, you will getting this stuff here. Yes. So let's take. You will get a menu option here. But anyways, you can try this. So go here. Keep it as much as small. Great. Now make it as a black color. Right? Yes. Select it. Copy paste 2 times. That's the 3 times. Great. We got like this. Now we need to make three things as a group selection. Now adjust accordingly. Just try this. We need to adjust this. Yes, now it's okay. Right. And then what is the next step? This profile. So what I will do is, let's take any image from the Google. Let's take Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay. So let's take some images here. Let's copy this, copy image, and go here, paste it. So it's Messi actually. So we are mentioning Messi profile, but you're giving a Ronaldo. Messi profiles. Let's take this, copy image, go here and paste it. We got like this, right? We need to adjust the size of it now from here to here. Yes. Let's make it a little bit top. Great. Then this entire part, heart symbol, this icon, everything. So what we can do is, just give me a second. Icons. So here search for heart. So you're not getting heart here. You will get heart icons and everything here itself. Let's see. Okay, so we need to install the libraries actually. Okay, fine, no problem. So anyways, we have a heart symbol here. So what I can do is copy paste this. Then the Q symbol, that's the comment symbol, right? So what we can do, go to Google, search for comments, Instagram comments, icon. You'll get this, copy image, go here and paste it. It is not copied. Yes. Adjust it. Great. We adjusted, right? So what is the next step? Here they didn't mention this number of likes and number of comments, right? We can do that. So how can we do that is simply take a text here. Let's take, put here 53 millions. Let's take 53 million. Make it bold. So just adjust like this. And you can also increase the font size here. So you know how to increase this. Let's take 16. Yes, it's nice. Great. So similarly, we need to mention the comment box here. Let's take copy image again. Paste it here. Great. Copy paste this comments again here. Let's take 53K. Great. What is the next step? This icon, Instagram icon. What I will do is I will simply copy paste this because it's taking a lot of time to, you know, copying from the Google, searching and finding that image, correct image, and doing that. So simply you can increase the size of it. So great. And just copy paste this also. This is kind of a share, right? So let's take 12K. You can mention. Yes, fine. This is how a single picture is done. Now we need to add this description. So let's copy this, add text here, and paste here. It is looking like this. It's not looking good, right? So of marvels, or else from studio we can do this. It will look like this. This is the basic one, right? And this is for a first one. View all comments. So here's the view all comments. Full text here. Mention view all comments here. Great. This is for one picture, so one profile. Now what we can do is make it as a entire group again, group selection. So and copy paste this. So what we can do, increase the size of it. To somewhere, increase the size of it. All right. Increase the size of it. So is there any mistake? Right. So reached here. Yes. Group selection. Now what we can do is simply copy paste this entire group. Copy paste. Okay, so it will look like this here. Anyways, great. It will look like this. So here it is scrolling. See, automatically it is scrolling. There is a mild bugs here. We need to figure out where it is and where we are doing this, because when we are changing something, automatically the other icons are changing. There is a mild bugs we need to figure out. సో ఇది చూసాక మీకు అనిపిస్తుందా ఎంత ట్రిక్కీగా ఉందా చేయడానికి మన అనేసి? There is a no that much tricky, just of basic things we need to understand. So when you get a premium version, you will get more options here. So there you will get this kind of box. You will not find this kind of box. Why? Because in premium, everything will be like programmatic. Here we have everything is at issues. Great. This is how we can do this. You can adjust this according to this one. See, whenever I'm moving this, automatically these icons are moving. It is not a right approach. It is not a right thing actually. There is a mild box there. We need to figure out where it is. No problem. The next day, like next tomorrow, I will tell you where we are doing these mistakes. I need to figure out actually. So let me try and do this. Okay. So anyways, this will be work like this. So tomorrow I will show you how to move these icons, like how to view the stories, right? At the same time, we can add multiple profiles here. This is how we can do a basic Instagram page. But don't worry, today everything it might be confused for you, because even I to confuse a little bit of things. Don't worry. So please let me know, did you find out any problems here? Everything is a problem? Please let me know. I know you are a lot of confused, but I just want to know where you confused and where you have a problem. Please tell in the text box. Let me go through that issues and I will figure out, and let me clear the doubts and issues in the tomorrow class. Definitely. చెప్పండి, డెఫినెట్ గా మీకు ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది. లైక్ ఏంటి ఇది ఇంత కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉందని అనిపించి ఉంటుంది. అది ఎక్కడ అనిపించింది? ఏ పార్ట్ లో మీకు అనిపించింది? ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో దట్. లెట్ మీ ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ దట్.